In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Brave Sync. Brave Sync lets you securely connect your devices so your browsing information travels with you. To begin, open the Brave browser on your device. Make sure both devices you plan to connect are nearby and unlocked so the process is smooth. Look to the upper right corner of Brave and click the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings. Inside Settings, find and click Sync, then choose Start Using Sync. This is the hub where you'll link devices into a single secure sync chain. A sync chain is an encrypted connection across your devices, designed so only they can read the information being synchronized. It's a simple private way to keep things aligned without manual transfers. You'll see two choices. Start a new sync chain is for creating a fresh link between devices. I have a sync code is for joining an existing chain using a code you already have. Pick the one that matches your situation. If you're starting a new sync chain, Brave will first ask what you want to add, a phone or tablet or a computer. Select the device type you're adding. If you're adding a phone or tablet, use that device to scan the sync chain QR code shown on your screen. Hold the camera steady and make sure the code is well lit so it scans quickly. If your device asks for permission to use the camera, allow it. On your computer, type the sync chain code exactly as shown if prompted. The words and spacing must be correct, so take a moment to double check before you continue. Keep in mind, these codes are sensitive. Only use them on devices you trust and never share them publicly. If you wait too long, the QR or code may time out, so complete the pairing promptly. If you already have a sync code, choose I have a sync code. Carefully enter the sync code provided to you and press confirm. Again, accuracy matters here. Entering the full code precisely ensures the device joins the correct sync chain without issues. After you complete either option, Brave links your devices in the background. Give it a moment on each device to finish connecting. If anything seems stuck, verify that both devices are online and that you entered or scanned the code correctly, then try again. That's all it takes. By following these steps, you've set up Brave Sync so your browsing setup is available wherever you go. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother, more connected Brave experience.